Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about what if regulatory clarity meets liquidity next year. Let's dive in. The billionaire Ray Dalio says the $35 trillion US national debt will not reverse. It is very important statement from the billionaire Ray Dalio. Bridgewater Associates founder Ray Dalio says America's national debt, 35 trillion US dollars. National debt will continue to grow no matter who wins the race for the White House. Which means regardless of US presidents, whether Trump or Harris, US government will print a lot more money. So this means from now on, from Q4 of this year till the end of next year, the liquidity, the dollar, as well as the global liquidity, money printer, will pump the whole market, especially next year. He believes the national debt is bound to be ignored while the government uses inflationary policies to reduce the real burden of its debt. We have an enormous amount of debt and it's going to keep increasing. And one man's debts are another man's liabilities. Nobody is going to deal with the debt policy. That is going to end up being monetized down the path. Why do you think is this true? Think about the number one factor driving the whole market, not only crypto, but stocks, bonds, and the real estate and everything. It's not war like Russia, Ukraine war. No, it's not trade balance. I know those are important, but not the number one factor. It's not PE ratio. It's not earning. But the number one factor driving the market is liquidity. Just think about the everything bubble cycle in 2020 and 2021. Even just the small stock, even the small mid cap, not even those, mid caps, but small cap altcoins pumped like crazy. It's liquidity which drives the market, whether up or down, the most. Mark my words. Kamala Harris said US should become dominant in blockchain, reiterates digital assets in economic plan. She said Wednesday that under her leadership, the United States will recommit to global leadership in the sectors that define the next century, specifically mentioning the word blockchain. Unlike Donald Trump, the Democratic presidential nominee has been mum silent about cryptocurrency on the campaign trail. Wall Street fundraisers asked Ms. Harris of this because it was announced at their meeting, fundraisers meeting of the Wall Street giants to support the crypto industry because they are all in on crypto now. Anthony Scaramucci says he is working alongside Kamala Harris on her campaign's crypto policies. As we all know, Anthony is a very crypto-friendly person, and he became the head of crypto policy of Ms. Harris. He says the group of crypto advocates are working with U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris to develop her campaign's policies on digital assets. And he believes that we are making progress, and I think it's going in the right direction. He mentioned at the annual Token 2049, the conference event in Singapore. And he also mentioned incumbent upon all of us to ensure US crypto regulation bipartisan. Bipartisan is the key here. US crypto regulation will be a lot more clarified with bipartisan. From the Democratic and the Republican parties, they are gonna all agree about the crypto regulation, crypto-friendly bills like FIT21 bill, stablecoin bills, and so forth after November election. Plus, wall of money is coming to the market. What if these two factors combine next year? What would happen to the price of crypto, stocks, and bonds and everything? In short, how can you be so bearish of crypto now, from now on? Because regulatory clarity, it was the huge problem for the last couple of years. But if it becomes clear, like 70% of crypto becomes all of a sudden commodity, and the global liquidity, money printer all around the world, not only US, the China, but every single government, what if they print money all together next year? So here's the thing. Don't worry about crypto, but let's mind our own business. Thank you for listening.